Welcome to AP Workshops and another one of Snox's little tips for you. So today we're going to focus on the sprocket carrier nuts, and the reason this is we are still seeing sprocket carrier nuts in the workshop with bikes come in where they've worked their way loose. Our little tip is if you want to do each nut up to 50 Newton meters.
These nuts. Got it!
Get yourself a little tyre pen and just put a little mark here just as you can see. This way every time you either go for a ride or do maintenance on your bike or give it a wash, you just got that visual reassurance that it's exactly where it should be.
Okay.
So the whole idea of these little tech tips I'm going to be doing over the next series of a few weeks, it's just going to be covering little bits like this. Torque settings, why they're important, why it's really important for it to be on top of bike maintenance.
Jeremy broke out his vast and sophisticated toolkit.
Keep your eyes open for more of my little tips for your bikes and general maintenance and safety as well, because obviously we don't need to explain what happens if these were to come loose. It's not going to be nice. So like and subscribe and follow this page. Thank you very much.